Hi, I'm Sohani Mittal. I joined Akash 2-year classroom program in 2023. Both my parents are software engineers. I have an elder brother who's also a software engineer. Since I was very young, I wanted to become a doctor because I've grown up in a family where I'm surrounded by doctors. So seeing them go to the hospital every day and the kind of respect that they got from everybody in the family, I think that inspired me to choose medicine as my career. My parents have always preferred the medical profession. A lot of my cousins who have also cleared NEET, they recommended me Akash. And I think the biggest reason for choosing Akash was that I needed the competitive environment. You never get overconfident when you're getting very good marks, but you're still not getting the rank that you want. So Akash was a very good option. I would say I started very early. From the beginning of 11th itself, I started preparing. I was studying consistently every day, and I would attend all the classes. And after the classes, the first thing that I would do was complete the study packages. So all the levels, level 1, level 2. Level 2 helped in physics a lot because it helped in conceptual understanding. The difficult questions had the QR codes as well. So I would see those solutions and could understand the concepts very clearly. In the last period, I would say NCERT maps and know your NCERT. These helped me the most because they helped in very quick revision, and I also never missed any tests. I made sure to give all the tests with as much preparation as I could have done, and in the last period, FTS and all the mock tests that were happening, they were essential and they help me the most. I think boards and NEET both have the same syllabus, 3 subjects are common, and NCERT reading is a must for both of the exams. So it wasn't too much of a hassle. And also I would say whatever is being taught, whether it be in school or in coaching, revise it the day you come back from the class. So that would help you the most because that would help you to retain those things as much as possible. Reading NCERT thoroughly is very important, be it biology or chemistry. For chemistry, inorganic, organic, NCERT should be thoroughly revised. Like, I think I must have read it more than 4 or 5 times. The last months are strictly for revision, therefore strengthening your weak topics, therefore keeping your strong topics as strong. And I think giving tests is very important in the last month. In the last month, FTS started. FTS first had some part tests, then it had full syllabus tests, so those also helped me a lot. Apart from that, I would say make a mistake notebook. So revise that mistake notebook every week, and when you revise those mistakes several times, you would be less prone to making those mistakes in the NEET exam. Akash test series definitely helped a lot. In the last month, I used to attempt one paper here of the FTS, and then one paper we would get as an home assignment. So I was attempting a paper every day, and the papers would often be quite lengthy, so they prepared us well for the NEET exam as well. And about breaks, of course I took breaks. I used to talk to my parents, I used to roam around in my house or go for a walk sometimes. I would play with my dog, and that is how that worked as a stress buster. My 2 years at Akash went by very smoothly, and they went by very quickly also. All my teachers were very helpful since day one. I understood all lectures, and even if there was something that I didn't understand, I could go to the teachers to resolve my doubts. They were available all days of the week, and whatever was needed, they were very flexible in their approach. Even during boards, even during the last month, they put in all their efforts to help us score maximum marks. My main advice would be to be consistent, study every day, work hard, solve all the packages, and make sure to do as many mock tests as you can. Try to appear for every mock test and prepare for it accordingly, make study planners. Also, allocate some time for your hobbies, for things that you like. Try to go out with your parents sometimes or with your friends, because that helps in keeping stress levels lower. Lastly, I would like to say all the best.